This is the Fitbit Charge 2 HR with a teal band in a small size. The band is really nice and comfortable, great for if you're doing like workout or running or anything like that. The display is kind of like motion activated, and you can click the display for different options. And turn it on also by the button. The button also scrolls through, so you can select the different options. And if you press and hold, it'll change or activate. So if I was going to press down and hold this, it would start my run. And then I just kind of click it to pause, press and hold again to stop. Same with the stopwatch, and same with relaxing. Notifications, I can turn the notifications on by pressing and holding the button. And I could just do the same thing to turn them back off again. And it's got a great display. I've had this particular one for 5 years now, and it's still in great condition. It charges maybe every other day, every 3 days. And the charger just kind of connects to the back. You'll see it's blinking. That's where it kind of goes to, takes your heart rate.